Hello friends and my dear students, I welcome you all to my channel. I hope you are all well and your studies are also going on well. This is part 18 video on the chapter of measures of central tendency, where I will be solving 5 conceptual problems on mean median mode. This is set number 6. If you find this video beneficial, then please like it, share it with your friends, and if you want to further support me, then please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will be notified by my future videos. This video is part of the playlist CBSE Maths for class 9 following the textbook of author RD Sharma, where I primarily discuss about the key concepts and formulas for solving problems. Okay. So the first problem says the mean of the numbers. Some numbers are given and two numbers are in terms of x, an unknown variable, x plus 10 and x plus 8 is 13. The mean is given to be 13. If the median of the data is n square minus 1, then the positive value of 3n is the median is given to be n square minus 1. Okay, so first of all we can clearly see that we can find the mean of the given data. So the mean, so this is the raw data, so mean will be the summation of the given data divided by the total number of observations. The sum of the observations divided by the total number of observations, so which is 50 plus 40 plus 35 plus x plus 10 plus x plus 8 plus 12 plus 11 plus 8 plus 6 whole divided by how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So divided by 9. Okay. So this implies, doing cross multiplication, I have 270 is equal to 40 plus 90 is 40, 50, 90, 90 plus 35, 125, 125 plus 12, 137, 137 plus 11, 148, 148, 156, 160, 162. Then we have x plus 10, 172, 180. So this is 2x plus 180 divided by 2x plus 180. Okay, so this implies 2x is equal to 270 minus 180, which is 90. So this implies that x is equal to 90 by 2, which is equal to 45. Okay, so there were 9 observations. Okay, fine. Now we have to find the median. Let's arrange the numbers in the ascending order, and we have oh, one thing, please note that the given numbers are already in the descending order. To find the median of some raw data, we need to have the data either in ascending or descending order. In the problem, the numbers are already given in descending order because x plus x is 45. Oh no. Let me quickly check if I have done the calculation correct or not. 270 is equal to 2x plus let me quickly check if I did the sum correct or not. 50 plus 40 plus 35 plus 12 plus 11 plus 8 plus 6 plus 10 plus 8 is 180. Okay, that is fine. So 2x plus 180, and then 2x is equal to 270 minus 180, which is 90. Okay, so x is 45. Fine, x is 45. Okay. So then x plus 45 will be 55, and x plus 8 is 53. Now if I arrange the numbers in the ascending order, I have 6, 8, 11, 12 and then 35 and then 40 and then 50 and then 53 and then 55. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these are the numbers So n, the total number of observation is 9. So this implies n is odd. So median will be 9. 9 plus 1 by 12th observation, which is equal to 5th observation. So 35 is the median. 35 is the median. So median is 35, which is given to be n square minus 1. So from the equation 35 is equal to n square minus 1, I get n squared is equal to 36. This implies that n is equal to plus minus 6. Okay, so the value of n is actually, we have two values. The possible values of n is actually plus and minus 6. But it is the problem has asked what is the positive value of 3n. So definitely we have we have to consider the positive value of n, which is 6. So 3n will be equal to 3 into 6, which is 18. So the correct choice is B. B is the correct choice. Let's see the next problem. If the mean of x comma x2 is 6 and mean of x comma x2 comma x3 is 7, then find the value of x3 multiplied x3 multiplied by x1 plus x2. Okay, so mean of x1 and x2 is 6. This means that we have x1 plus x2 divided by 2 is 6. This implies we have x1 plus x2 is equal to 12. Okay, again it is given the mean of x1 comma x2 comma x3. We have 3 observation. The mean will be their sum divided by 3, which is given to be 7. So this implies x1 plus x2 plus x3 is 21. This implies x1 plus x2 we already know is 12. So I can say 12 plus x3 is equal to 21. So this implies x3 is equal to 21 minus 12, which is 9. And x1 plus x2 we already know is 12. So from these two information we can say that x1 plus x2 multiplied by x3 is 12 multiplied by 9, which is 108. So the correct choice is C. Let's see the next problem. If the mean of cubes of first n natural numbers is 25 n square by 4, then the value of n is. What are the first? So cubes of first n natural numbers. So the observations are, or the cubes of first n natural numbers are 1 cube, 2 cube, like this, n cube. Okay. What will be the mean of this, the cube of the first n natural number? So the mean will be 1 cube plus 2 cube up to n cube divided by the total number of observations is n. So n. Now one thing you must know that summation of 3 things formula or result you must always remember. The sum of the first n natural number, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 like this up to n, is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. And the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers, the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. And third, the sum of the cubes of the first n natural number is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. This you must always remember. Okay, so we have, so 1 cube plus 2 cube plus up to n cube is the sum of cubes of first n natural number. We know this will be n square plus multiplied by n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. and we have whole divided by n, so n. So this is equal to I think I did a mistake in the problem. It is given that the sum of the mean of the cubes of first in natural numbers is 25n square by 4. I think it should be 25n by 4. I'm sorry for this, 25n by 4. So mean is, we are getting mean as n square multiplied by n plus 1 whole square divided by n, which is n multiplied by n plus 1 whole square divided by 4. So mean is given to be 25n by 4. So I have n into n plus 1 whole square divided by 4 is equal to 25n by 4. I can cancel out. I can divide both the sides by n, because n is a natural number, so it is not 0. N is a natural number. We can, in an equation, we can always divide and multiply both the sides by some non-zero number. So this implies I have, dividing both the sides, LHS and RHS by n, I have n plus 1 whole square by 4 is equal to 25 by 4. Again multiply both the side by 4, we get n plus 1 whole square is equal to 25, which is 5 square. So this implies that n plus 1 is equal to 5. Remember that over here, so we were having n plus 1 square is equal to 25. Now please do not solve from here. Please do not write. It will not be the case that n plus 1 will be equal to plus minus square root of 25. No, n is a natural number, n is positive, so n plus 1 will always be positive. So the value of n plus 1 will be 5. So this implies n is equal to 4. So n is 4. So the correct choice is C. Let's see the next problem. Question number 4. If x bar is the mean of x1 comma x2 up to xn, then the value of we are having summation of xi minus I, where I is ranging from 1 to n. Okay. Okay. So first, you must have a clear understanding of the summation operator. So what does this actually mean? xi minus I, and I is ranging from 1 to n. This is equal to, if I expand it, this is equal to x1 minus 1 plus x2 minus 2 plus x3 minus 3 up to xn minus n. Now if you collect, so this is equal to, if I rearrange the terms on the right hand side, I will have x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn, and then if I collect all the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus n, it will be like negative of 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Okay. So this is now x1 plus x2 plus xn up to xn, it is the sum of the numbers whose mean is given to be x bar. So I know this will be n into x bar, and I have minus the sum of 1. What is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to plus n? It is the sum of the first natural numbers, and I already said its value is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. So this is equal to, if I take n common, I have n multiplied by x bar minus n plus 1 by 2. This is equal to n. If I simplify the expression inside the bracket, I have 2x bar minus 1 n minus 1 whole divided by 2. So this is equal to n by 2 multiplied by 2x bar minus n minus 1. So the correct choice is A. A is the correct choice. Now regarding the summation operator, let me Okay, I will explain that after solving the question number 5. So question number 5 says the side lengths of n squares are a plus 1, a plus 2, comma up to a plus n. So the first length, the side length of first square is a plus 1, the side length of second square is a plus 2, so the side length of nth square is a plus n. Then the mean perimeter of the n square is, we have to find the mean perimeter of all the perimeters among all the perimeters of the n squares. So let's say P1, let's say I am calling P1 as the perimeter of the first square. So P1 will be equal to, we know the perimeter perimeter of a square is 4 into side length, so it will be 4 into a plus 1. P2 will be 4 into a plus 2. Likewise, the perimeter of the nth square will be 4 into a plus n. Okay. So what will be the mean perimeter? It will be P plus P2 up to Pn whole divided by n, since there are n squares. Now what is P plus P1 plus P2 up to Pn? So this is 4 into a plus 1 plus 4 into a plus 2, like this up to 4 into a plus n, and we have 4 divided by n. Okay. Now I will take 4. I am taking 4 common from the numerator, and I have 4 by n, a plus 1, a plus 1 plus a plus 2 up to a plus n. Okay. Now inside the square bracket, how many a's are there? There are n number of a's as there are n number of squares. So a plus a up to up to n number of a's, it will be na, and I have the 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus n. Okay. So this is equal to 4 by n divided by na plus, now 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is the sum of the first n natural numbers, which is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay. I will take, okay, let's take n common from the two expression inside the square bracket. So I have n into a plus n plus 1 by 2. This is equal to 4n by n, and then a plus n plus 1 by 2. n cancels out, and I have 4 into a plus n plus 1 by 2, and if I further simplify the expression inside the bracket, inside the bracket or first bracket, I have 4 2a plus n plus 1 by 2, and this is equal to 2 into 2a plus n plus 1. So the mean perimeter, the mean of all the perimeters of the squares is 2 into 2a plus n plus 1. So the correct choice is A. A is the correct choice. Okay, now regarding the summation operator, please note you must have a clear understanding some results regarding the summation operator. Okay, so let's say I have summation of, let's say p is some variable. It is given that summation of pi, I is 1 to k. What does this mean? This actually means p1, I is starting from, this is a summation operator. So p1 plus p2 plus p3 up to pk, because k is ranging, I is ranging from 1 to k, pk. Okay. What is this? Summation of I is ranging from let's say 2 to 6. This is nothing but 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Okay, what is summation of I square? I is ranging from 1 to n. This is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. Okay, what is summation of k is a constant? K is a constant, and I have, let's say, j, where j is ranging from 1 to n. K is a constant, and the summation is k into j, and j, the variable j, is ranging from 1 to n. Now whenever you have a constant, you can bring the constant outside, so this will be equal to k into, and then summation of j ranging from 1 to n. This is nothing but k into 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Note that summation of I is equal to 1 to n is same as summation of j is ranging from 1 to n. In the left hand side, the variable is just represented by the name I, and on the right hand side, the variable is just represented by the j. Eventually the actual summation is same. This is equal to 1 plus 2 plus up to n. Okay, again, summation of, let's say, ki, the variable is I is ranging from 1 to n, ki plus, let's say not k, a is a constant, ai plus b. What will be this? This will be equal to, you can apply the summation on the two expression and add them up. That is, this will be summation of ai, I is equal to 1 to n, and then plus summation of b, I is equal to 1 to n. This is equal to a into summation of I is equal to 1 to n plus summation of b, I equals to 1 to n. Now this is equal to a into 1 plus 2 up to n, and what is this? Summation of b is a constant, I is ranging from 1 to n, it is b into n, and this is equal to 1 plus 2 plus up to n. The first, this is the sum of the first in natural numbers. This is n into n plus 1 by 2. So these are small results, or I have demonstrated to show how the sigma operator works. Okay, so this brings to an end in solving 5 conceptual problems on the mean median mode. Please note that I have not discussed yet how to find the mode of group data, which I will discuss in in some future videos. The next 2 videos will also be solving conceptual problems on mean median mode. So far I have discussed. So please stay tuned for those videos to come. I am ending the video here. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, take care and bye.